Hi everyone, Nina here. Thanks for joining me today to create this very simple quick card. It's gonna be a slimline card and we are going to use this MFT stamp set called We Belong. I chose this bear that is fishing in a lake and I did stamp it in my mini Misti on a Bristol smooth cardstock white paper with a Copic friendly ink. This is Memento Tuxedo Black. And I'm just using very simple coloring. I'm using the N0 and a blender to just blend around this. It's just I'm making, I want to keep him white, so I'm just making very subtle look of very light gray. Look how it is. And I also colored the lake. And I'm going to color the top of the slimline background with peacock feathers and then with speckled egg, and then I'm gonna fade everything into about 2/3 of the card with tumbled glass distress ink. I'm just gonna keep going a couple times until I finally found them blend nicely together. Then I'm going to get my border dies, the HILLSIDE border dies from Fawn. You're going to find it linked down below with all the materials and tools that I'm going to use today. I'm just eyeballing where I want the second HILLSIDE to be, and then I'm going to send it to my die cutting machine. And here is how they will look. Just this is where I thought I'll place them, but then after a while I thought that they need to be a little higher, and I'm going to cut another HILLSIDE. So they're going to be 3. The farthermost one, which is this one in my hand, I'm going to directly glue it with the glue to the background. Then the one above it, I am going to back it up with another paper so it's just slightly raised. And then the third one that I'm going to add is the one that you see in the most front. I'm going to to add 2 layers of foam tape. So this is going to give a variety of dimension to the bottom part of the card. When I add my elements, that is the bear and some trees, they are going to be on different heights. Here I backed it up with the paper and then I'm gluing it again with my Nuvo glue, and then just placing them. I marked with the pencil where I want to place them so it will be faster. And here is the part where I'm going to add the foam tape. And then I'm going to add another layer of foam tape. I just finished this one and I'm going to use a different kind, the Arteza red one, to raise it. So I will have different variety. Then I'm going to use this die set from Fawn. It creates this cute sort of whimsical font. And then I cut the word U 3 times. See, I put 3 layers of the Y here. Can you see how raised it is, how thick it became? And then I'm going to do the same thing for the O and the U, stacking 3 layers of each. And then here I am going to add some cute elements to set the scene, to complete my scene. So I use these 2 die sets to create these triangular looking trees, and another tree I cut it from a backdrop. And I'm trying this tree, the one with the branches, but I'm not finding it matching with my scene. I thought that the triangular trees, the just solid triangular trees without branches, look way nicer on this kind of scene. So I'm going to go with them. I cut a very small one and a medium and a large one, and I put them on different levels. See, can you see the different variety of dimensions? Then I thought I'm going to use the sentiment I miss only, and I searched through my stash to find something that says I miss, and I found this one. So I was going to stamp I miss you, that's it. But then while doing it, I just found out that this is a very lucky accident. I found the rest of the sentiment says I'm barely surviving, and I thought it just matches perfectly with the bear down there. So I'm going to use it as well. So I'm stamping I miss you, I'm barely surviving. So cute. And here I did draw a pencil line so I know where to stamp the I'm barely surviving in the correct position. Then I found the center of the card so I can put the O in the center, and then I'm just eyeballing the O, the U and the Y on the sides. I'm gluing it. See, it is very raised because it is 3 layers stacked together. And I'm going to just eyeball and put them all together. Then I'm going to erase my pencil line under I'm barely surviving, and here is how it looks by the end. Then comes the part to choose the background. I put it on a white background, and then I was thinking, shall I add a little more color or shall I just leave it white? The white makes it look really nice with the snow and the winter theme. So this is how it looks. See at the amazing stitches, the variety of dimensions, the raised jewel word. It all looks so pretty. So it was a very quick and fun winter theme card. I have so much fun creating slimline cards, guys. So you tell me as well if you prefer the regular sized cards or the slimline cards in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you all next time. Bye!